Welcome to our channel. Sharpen your English fluency. Listen and practice.
Hello, my name is John, and I'm really happy to be here for this interview. Thanks for having me. I'm from a small town called Springfield, and right now, I live in the lively city of Miami. I finished my schooling from Springfield High School and completed my graduation from Miami University. During my studies, I did an internship at a local business. It was a great experience where I learned about teamwork and communication. Currently, I work as a customer service representative at a cruise company. My job involves helping customers with their questions and concerns. Outside of work, I have a few hobbies that I enjoy. I'm a big fan of playing soccer with friends during the weekends. Also, I like reading books, especially mystery novels. Speaking about family, I have two wonderful parents who have always supported me. I also have a younger sister who's in high school. In the short term, I aim to enhance my skills and contribute more to my current role. In the long term, I hope to take on more responsibilities and grow within the company. One of my strengths is my communication skills. I'm comfortable talking with different people and helping them out. However, sometimes I feel I need to work on managing my time better. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share about myself. I'm excited to learn more about this role and excited to be a valuable part of the team.
Thanks for watching. Listen this many times for better learning.